Welcome to Lecture 8, Techniques to Engage Your Listener. In this lesson, you'll discover practical and proven strategies to capture and maintain your audience's attention, making your communication more impactful and memorable. Engaging your listener is crucial because it keeps them attentive, helps them remember your message, and builds a stronger connection between you and your audience. Importance of engagement, building connections, and remembering messages are key components in effective communication. Start by knowing who you're speaking to. Understand their interests and needs, adapt your message to fit their background, and use examples that are relevant to them. Begin your conversation or presentation with a hook. This could be a question, a surprising fact, or a short story to instantly grab their attention. Speak clearly and simply. Avoid using jargon or complex words. Short, direct sentences help your listener follow along easily. Keep your listener interested by varying your tone and pace. Use pauses to highlight important points and avoid sounding monotonous. Involve your listener by asking questions and encouraging participation. Inviting feedback makes your communication interactive and engaging. Visual aids like images, charts, or slides can make your message clearer and more memorable. Demonstrations also help illustrate your points. Stories and examples make your message relatable and easier to understand. They help listeners connect emotionally and remember your points. Humor can make your communication enjoyable, but always keep it appropriate and relevant. Avoid jokes that could offend or distract from your message.
Show that you care about your listeners' thoughts and feelings. Listen actively, respond thoughtfully, and express empathy to build trust.
Summarize your key points at the end of your conversation or presentation. This helps reinforce your message and ensures your listener leaves with a clear understanding. Engaging communication is a skill that improves with practice. Rehearse your delivery, seek feedback, and keep refining your techniques.
Let's quickly recap. Know your audience, start with a hook, use clear language, vary your voice, involve your listener, use visuals and stories, show genuine interest, and always summarize your key points.
Now it's your turn. Choose one technique from today's lesson and apply it in your next conversation or presentation. Notice how it changes your listener's engagement. Thank you for joining this lecture. Practice these engagement techniques and get ready for the next lesson on reading and understanding body language.